Hey guys, today I am going to make some stuffed peppers. What's great about peppers is you cut them open and you can stuff them with just about anything. So today I am going to be making meat and cheese stuffed peppers with ground beef, and it's almost like a meatball recipe stuffed into a pepper. I love peppers because they come in a variety of colors, and you just cut them open, pull the seeds out, and it's perfect to stuff. You can stuff with rice, meats, quinoa, beans, all sorts of things. This recipe today is delicious and it's fast, it's easy. I think you're gonna love it. And so I went ahead and got an assortment of colors on the peppers. I've got some green and red already cut, and everybody has their own style of cutting. So what I do is I follow the line here on the side and cut it right in half. And then you can easily just pull out all the seeds and any of this like white stuff, okay? Just peel it like that. It's really simple. Pop that off, then rinse, and then stuff, okay? So let me rinse these quick. Okay, so to start with, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Mine's heated up. I have 4 peppers, and we'll see how we do with the filling. I don't know if we're gonna get to fill all of those or not, but we will hope to. So I have 1 pound of grass-fed beef in the bowl, and to that, I'm going to add half of a yellow onion that I've already diced, pretty small, okay, and half a cup of Italian seasoned breadcrumbs. Okay, 1/3 cup of dried Parmesan cheese, 1 egg, crack it into the bowl to be safe, good, no shells. Okay, 2 cloves of garlic, some tomato paste, 2 tablespoons, salt, 1.5 teaspoons, and black pepper. All right. Okay, I've got some fresh basil from the garden. I'm gonna use my little handy dandy chopper here. I'm gonna put some of the fresh basil in this filling, and I'm gonna save some for when these are all done baking to go on the top. So that was like, I don't know, about 20 basil leaves. If you get it at the grocery store, you can just buy 1 bunch of it and put, you know, half in the filling and then save half for the end. Okay, shredded mozzarella cheese, about 1/3 cup. All right, yummy, right? Looking delicious. Okay, so get that all mixed up. I may need to get my hands in there just like with meatballs. Sometimes the spoon just doesn't cut it. So get the hands in there and get everything really, really well incorporated. The longest part to this recipe is baking them. You bake these for 45 minutes since you're putting raw meat into the peppers. And I mean, you saw how fast the filling is to make, right? So, I mean, that's the goal. Fast meals that are healthy and that are delicious. I mean, nobody wants to eat bland, boring food. Am I right? Okay, so I've got this all really well mixed here. Time to wash my hands, and then we're gonna stuff the peppers. Okay, so peppers are ready, and don't you love the color assortment? You can use any color you want. Obviously, green peppers are the cheapest for whatever reason, but yeah, I like different colors. So grab a spoon of your meat filling and really press it down into the pepper. All right, I'm gonna start with just, you know, a mediocre fill. I'm not going to overstuff, only because I'm really hoping to get all these filled. Okay, so there you go. Just stuff that neat mixture into the peppers. Yum, yum. Okay, so we got 1/2 pepper that we didn't get to fill, just didn't have enough filling. So just plan on using, you know, 3 to 4 peppers for this recipe. Next is marinara sauce. You can make your own, which is obviously going to be the best tasting way to go. I like this brand, Mozzarella homemade marinara. It's healthy, it's tasty. Okay, so we are just going to get that propped up. So just pour it all over the tops. Okay, don't skimp. The sauce is going to make them really good. And that looks good. I used about 1/2 the jar. And I also like to drizzle some olive oil over the top. Just a light drizzle. This one pours crazy fast. I'm excited to eat these. Foil over the top. Okay, and I'm gonna pop them in the oven. I'm gonna start for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, they're gonna get sprinkled with some fresh Parmesan cheese and a little more mozzarella, and then they're gonna go back in for 15 minutes. So right now I'm putting them in the oven at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. So they're nice and hot. So we're gonna go ahead and put some, I have some shaved Parmesan. It can be grated, it can be shaved, but you just want the fresh, not the dry Parm. So I'm gonna sprinkle this evenly over the top. This looks to be about 1/3 of a cup worth, I would say. I have a daughter that's absolutely obsessed with this cheese. She puts it in a measuring cup and just eats it plain. Loves it. That's why it's almost gone. She ate the whole thing. We're gonna cheese it right up, okay? And then over that, we're gonna put some mozzarella evenly, and I would say the same, about 1/3 of a cup. You can use any cheese, but this is more of an Italian meal, I would say, so I would stick with these. Okay, ooh, these look good. Foil goes back on. And we're gonna give them 15 minutes, and then they're done. Be back. So the peppers are done. They look amazing and fantastic, and this is actually going to be my lunch since it is just about lunchtime. And so I really hope you guys will make these and share your results, and serve this with garlic bread or a salad, and there's dinner. Simple, fast, easy, healthy, delicious. So remember the drill. Like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, share with your friends, and most importantly, enjoy your day. Thank you so much for watching.